Another day of defense for President Buhari has turned out to be yet another headline-grabbing day for the petitioners. On Tuesday, the president's own witness denied his repeated claim that officers of the 1962 Corps of the Nigerian Army submitted their academic certificate with the Army at the point of enlistment. Testifying also for the president, his chief of staff, Abba Kyari, on Tuesday had admitted that his boss did not attach his certificate to his 2019 presidential INEC nomination form as legally required. Buhari has never provided his certificate, claiming it is with the Nigerian Army, a claim the Army board had in 2014 publicly disavowed. But in what appeared a frenzied attempt to provide answers, the president's chief of staff admitted in open court that 2 weeks before his appearance to testify for the president, he signed and collected a certifying document from Cambridge. The document, as well as a results sheet of the University of Cambridge, West Africa, was tendered as an exhibit.
There's something strange about that. I've never heard that any institution will allow a third party to collect certificates on behalf of another person. It's not done. It's not done.
On Wednesday, the president's lawyers brought in a deputy registrar with the West African Examination Council, WAEC, Nigeria, under subpoena. The witness, Oshidende Adewumi's job was to lead evidence in support of the documents tendered by Buhari as obtained by his chief of staff. He claimed that Exhibit R21, which is the document of the Cambridge moderated exams, indicated that 18 candidates sat for the examination in 1961 and that Buhari's name is listed as number 2. He also tells the court that Buhari sat for 8 subjects and scored 5 credits with aggregate 32 and was awarded grade 2. But under cross-examination, another story emerged from the WAEC official when he was asked to confirm the status of the certificate presented by Buhari as confirmation that he actually did sit for WAEC. At this point, the WAEC deputy registrar admits that the document presented by the president is not a West African Examination Council document. He was also presented with Exhibit R21, which Abba Kyari admitted to signing and collecting on behalf of the president. And the official said it was not a WAEC certificate and that he has never worked for the body which issued the certificate. The witness, who had earlier attested to it as being a duly certified document, later denied the document, saying he could not confirm it as it does not bear his signature. A comparison of the 2 documents presented by the president, that is a Cambridge Assessment International Education Certifying Statement of West African School Certificate, and the CTC of the Confidential Results Sheet of University of Cambridge West Africa School Certificate of 1961 for Provincial Secondary School Katsina, also revealed more discrepancies. While one read 8 subjects sat for, the other listed only 6 subjects. Also on cross-examination, the WAEC registrar was asked to read out the name on the document, and the name read Muhammad, not Muhammadu. Another witness, Buhari's senior special assistant, Muhammad Saraki Abba, was presented with the document submitted by Buhari and asked to confirm if it classifies as a certificate, to which he answered in the negative. While under cross-examination, he also states that no certificate is mentioned or attached in either the president's CV or forms submitted to INEC, which is an exhibit before the court. President Buhari also presented 2 more witnesses from Niger State and Nasarawa State, who stated that elections were peacefully conducted in their domains. But even before the court rises for its noon break, the president's legal team abruptly calls it a day, even when the court reminds that it is not break time yet. The Justice Mohammed Garba-led Presidential Election Petition Court is forced to rule on an early adjournment, even though the presiding justice expresses a desire to conclude with the case in reasonable time to enable the court prepare its judgment. The court also acknowledges that the second respondent, President Muhammadu Buhari, is entitled to 6 days to present its defense, and that the respondent is at liberty to use the 6 days as it deems fit. The case was adjourned till Thursday. From the Court of Appeal in Abuja, I am Utabo Moran.